halted originally, right lead canter revert again, and then run her into the fence if you need to make her halt. We're going to keep repeating that same jump over and over until she calms her little self down. Half halt, soften. Good, halt. Good. Now, let her run into it if she's going to. Look up. And put a little more tip forward. There. Your leg up. Right. Yeah, stay with her in the air better. Come track left. Hey, right at me. Oh. Scrunch, stay still. Scrunch, stay still. Yep, now. Good. Turn her. Trot. Heels down to trot. Good. Walk. Walk. Keep going to the jump. Keep going to the jump. Trot. Look. Oh, amazing. How smart Charade is, though. I wouldn't overfuss her because then she's going to get cocky again. No, Charade. Bad horse. Look in the air. Good. Trot. Good. Again. Look. Good. Now this time you're going to do the same thing. Trot. You're going to go in between the jumps and then turn right. Her problem not. Look in the air. Turn her. Good.
Jamie just